What did you do today?
Today is a special day. Actually, I this is the day of voting in West
Okay.
Bengal, like in my area, in my locality. So I
Yeah.
voted, and let's
That's
see the hope for the best. Like development, I we expect the development from
right. Right.
our government. So let's see,
Yeah.
because before election, everyone, every candidate is promising moon. So let's
Hmm.
see. I
Exactly.
think.
Like at least they reach till the stars, at least not the moon, but the stars.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see.
Hmm. That is true. Okay, so today do you want to have a general conversation or do you want to talk about the topic?
Yeah, we can do the both things
Both.
as
Okay.
usual.
Yeah. So have we discussed about celebrities before? I don't think so.
No, no. I think I don't know. I don't discuss.
Yeah, we have not. Okay, so no, what type of do you watch movies?
Yes, I am movie buffer, you can say.
Okay.
But nowadays, I selectively choose to watch movies.
Okay. Yeah, because the Bollywood movies qualities are very much degrading nowadays. The
True, true,
storyline and etc.
true.
Okay, so what kind of movies do you watch?
Uh, two story based movies I like to watch, and also non-fiction.
Non-fiction. Okay, so is there a genre like comedy or horror movies?
Uh, or I am not a good fan of horror movies, but yeah, when it is good, and then I watch. Otherwise, I like to watch rom-com movies and sometimes uh, action movies.
Same. I also really enjoy rom-com movies.
Okay.
So what language do you watch your movies in?
I watch Hindi movies and also Bengali movies and sometimes Hollywood movies,
Yeah,
like which popped out very famous. Then I watch.
very
That's
much.
it.
Yeah. So do you think like the storyline of the Bollywood movies are really degrading nowadays?
Yes, I can say that. Like even sometimes we see that in the recent movie, they are putting actions unnecessarily and putting dialogues unnecessarily. So nowadays, audience are adapted. So this cannot be the thing that we can do that or everything people can consume. They are very advanced and they are very smart right now after lockdown, especially.
Right, right, right. That is true. Okay, so who is your favorite celebrity?
Who is my favorite celebrity? Yeah, SRK. I am a SRK fan.
Okay. And who is your female favorite celebrity?
Female nowadays, Kiara Advani is doing good, and also Kriti Saran.
Okay. Okay. So, what if one day you get a chance to interview any two celebrities? Who will you
Okay, wow, wonderful! My God, so nice. And so yes, if I get a chance to interview, then I will ask SRK would be,
Mhm.
and the next one is Salman Khan.
Okay. Okay, they are also best friends now at least.
Yeah, yeah. Now
So,
at least.
so what are the questions that you would ask?
Oh my God, I have not prepared for that. uh, like I want to know the charisma and the magic they have.
Mhm. The talents they have.
Absolutely. Like I want to know how to, uh, like they can direct to the
Mhm.
good, like to the best direction
Mhm.
to get that talent or to excel in that talent. So that's why I will ask that.
Yeah. Right. And you know what about like the celebrities influence our lives a lot. So is there
Mm.
any celebrity that influences your life?
Influences my life. Actually, Sushant Singh Rajput had really impacted the his style, especially his style and his way of speaking and
Hmm.
his thinking process. Apart from that, I can say MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni. I when I watch I because I watch IPL nowadays for him, but you know that CSK just knocked out.
Lost.
Yeah. So, but yes, from now I am supporting Kolkata because I am from Kolkata,
Hmm.
and also yeah, good wishes for RCB because they are doing really well
Yeah.
constantly.
Yeah. For the
And do you support IPL? Like which team do you support?
Yeah, I don't have any team that I support, but I'm not a regular watcher, but yeah, I keep updating myself about
Okay,
what is
okay, good.
happening.
Wow, good, good. That's good.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
what which
no, you continue.
uh, which kind of uh, genre do you want to like to watch movies in
Mm.
movies?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
you said
use
rom-com, right?
I usually like rom-coms or comedies, or sometimes horror movies if they're very
Okay,
yeah, if
okay,
they're
horror
very
movie.
scary.
Oh, that's good. So, like after watching horror movies, uh, like, do you dare to go to the loo without anyone at
Without
night,
any
at midnight, especially?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know what I do is I watch scary movies in the daylight only.
Okay,
And
okay, that's
when
good.
the night arrives, I start watching cartoons and funny things. So, in my mind, I
Okay,
keep that
I
only.
see. I got it. Uh,
Yeah.
very smart.
Okay. Some celebrities earn a really great deal of money and very luxurious lives, but they're still not happy with their lives. What do you think about that?
It may be like because by book like however money can't buy happiness actually.
Hmm.
Like when you like because we want money definitely to survive well to have a good life, but they are they have reached their saturation level. So
Hmm.
in case of money, so they want something else for making them happy or for searching happiness. So that's why they are, I think that they are worried about that, and they are constantly having anxiety sometimes because like they are doing a very risky job, right? So if movie goes well, then they will be like will be, I can say,
In the
rolling
game.
stone in the game, and also yeah, in the limelight. Otherwise, it is very difficult, right?
Right. So, what if your cousin or your niece or nephew, anybody, any small child, a teenager, wants to become a celebrity? What is the advice that you will give them?
I think that every Indian uh, takes born to become either cricketer or actor.
Actor.
So it's a dream, right?
Hmm.
But yeah, these paths are very difficult nowadays. There are a
Hmm.
lot of competition.
Hmm.
But if one of my family member wants to be in that position, then I will suggest that uh, if she is female, then it is okay because she can if like she can't get any chance to be the like most leading heroine. She can do some advertisements or she can do serials,
Supporting
commercial
roles.
serials,
Hmm.
supporting roles. But these are very difficult nowadays to choose this path and to get success in that
Success.
situation. And also there are a lot of you I think you know very well there are a lot of behind the scene there are a lot of things going on, so it is very difficult. You can't trust because everything you see, everything is available on social media or on the
Social media.
internet, so it's very uh, I can say it is very sad for
Yeah.
Indian film industry.
I totally agree with you. It is not very safe for people
Hmm.
to do that.
It's
If
not
you don't have any connections, then it is very difficult to have
very
a
difficult,
success.
and like those who are already established in that field and they are
Mhm.
ruling, so that is very difficult to get that position.
Position. Right. That is correct. Okay, so the session is also almost over. So any questions?
Oh my god, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Okay, no question. Like it is really wonderful always to talk to you. And like how many hours do you spend on interview?
On Engtalki,
Like
actually it depends.
taking classes, it
Like,
depends. It varies, right?
yeah, on the learners only if they book me or not. Usually I create slots for I think 2 hours or 3 hours in a day. So
Okay.
it's whenever they, book me,
Good,
then I
good.
get
That's good.
access. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's fine.
So yeah. So for today's feedback, may I provide you with the feedback? Yeah.
Sure, why not?
Yeah. So, you use a little bit the joining words a little too much, like and
Okay,
yeah, 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 yeah. It's not very much. You don't have to be insecure about that. Just I noticed it because it is my job. But other than that,
mm,
it is not very noticeable. So that is the thing
okay,
that you can improve on. Other than that, I think you're
mm,
doing great.
okay, okay. I will think about that.
Yeah. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you, and have a great night. Take
Same
care.
to